Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss rank difference correlation. Dear students, under these the two series is given. First of all, we will give the rank in ascending or descending, any one, both. Clear, beta? First of all, two series given x and y. So first of all, we will give the order in ascending or in descending, and after that we will find out d is the difference between r1 and r2, and after that we will find out dx square and summation, and all values put in the formula, then question will be solved out. Clear, beta? So see first of all the formula of rank difference method correlation. Clear, beta? See the formula. Rank correlation denoted RK. Formula 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. Clear, beta? This formula you will apply when the rank is not repeated. Clear? I repeat again, you will apply this formula when the rank is not repeat, and when rank is repeat, then you will apply the another formula. So first of all we are discuss when the rank is not repeat, then you will apply this formula, rank difference method. Dear students, under this method two types of question is given. The some question rank already given, so at the moment you will find out only d and d square, and after that you will apply the formula and then question will be solved out. Clear, beta? Rank already given, so you will find out d. For example, that's your x rank and that's your y rank is given. X rank is given, x means r1 rank, and that's your r2 rank. So rank is given like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 or 10. So the total number of item n is equal to 10. Y series rank is also given like 10 6 5 4 7 9 8 2 1 3. Clear? So after that, first of all you will find out d, the formula r1 minus r2, that's your r1 minus r2. 1 minus 10 minus 9, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 2 plus 6, 9 minus 1 plus 8, 10 minus 3 is equal to plus 7. After that we will find out d square. 9 9 ja 81, 4 4 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 0, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 1 1 ja 1, 6 6 ja 36, 8 8 ja 64, और 7 7 ja 49. That's your summation d square. 6 4 10 1 11, 11 1 15, 15 10 25, 10 35, 35 और 10 44, 4 carry, 4 8 12, 13 13 14 15 16, 16 और 10 26. Clear beta? After that you will apply the formula RK is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square divided by n cube minus n. So RK is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D is 264 divided by 10 cube minus 10. So RK is equal to 1 minus 6 multiply with 264, then it will be equal to 1584 divided by 10 tens are 100 or 10, 1000 minus 10 will be equal to 990. So RK is equal to 1 minus 1.6. So RK is equal to minus 0.6. That's answer. You will apply this formula, dear students, when the rank is already given. But in the question is rank is not given, then you will apply the same formula, but the process some different. See guys, that's your question is given X series and that's your Y series. Dear students, X series is given like 15, 17, 14, 13, 11, 12, 16, 18, 10 or 9. Y series, that's a 15, 12, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 10, 2 or 5. So dear students, first of all we will give the rank R1. The smallest amount is 9, so that's your 1, 10 2, after 10 11 3, 12 4, 13 5, 14 6, 15 7, 15 16 8, 17 9, 18 10. Clear beta? N is equal to 10. That's your R1. Same as you will give the rank R2 Y series. The smallest amount is 1. That's 1 rank. 3 2 1, 3 2, 4 3, after 4 5, that's a 4 6 5 7 6 or 9 7 10 8 12 9 or 15 10. Clear? After that we will find out D, the formula R1 minus R2. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 6 minus 3 is equal to plus 3. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. 8 minus 2 is equal to plus 6. 10 minus 8 is equal to plus 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to plus 1. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. That's your rank. After that we will find D square. 3 3 is a 9, 0, 3 3 is a 9, again 0, 3 3 is a 9, again 3 3 is a 9, 6 is a 36, 2 2 is a 4, 1, 3 3 is a 9. That's your summation. Nine 18, 9 27, 9 36, 36 or 10 46 or 10 56, 56 6 5 5 3 8 86. That's your summation D square. After that we will apply the formula RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. So RK is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D square 86 divided by n 10 cube minus 10. So RK is equal to 1 minus इसको 6 multiply with 86, that's your 516 divided by 10 10 जा 100, 10,000 minus 10. RK is equal to 1 minus 516 divided by 990. So dear students, RK is equal to 1 minus, when we divide 516 divided by 990, then it will be equal to 0.52. So RK is equal to 1 minus 5.2 will be equal to 0.48. That's your answer. Clear beta? That's your rank difference method. Clear? So you will solve out when the rank is not given. First of all, you will give the rank X series ascending or descending order. Y series give the rank ascending or descending order. After that we will find D. It is the difference between R1 or R2. After that we will find out D square, and that's your summation dx square D square. Whole values put in the formula and then question solve out. Clear beta? I am sending some questions to you. You will also solve out the questions with the help of rank difference method. Clear beta? You also shows your attendance with your name and contact number. Raise your hands. Thank you very much beta.